If one had asked Harold, he would have said that this particular Wednesday was exactly like all the Wednesday prior, and he began it the same way he always did.
Hello?
He began it the same way he always did. When others' minds would
Hello, someone there?
When others' minds would fantasize about their upcoming day or even try to grip onto the final moments of their dreams, Harold just counted brushstrokes.
Alright, who just said Harold just counted brushstrokes? And how do you know I'm counting brushstrokes? Hello?
It was remarkable how the simple, modest It was remarkable how the simple, modest elements of Harold's life, so often taken for granted, would become the catalyst for an entirely new life.